Hi, I'm Steve Davey. I'm the Executive Vice President and CEO of Levaero. Anybody who's considering being an AME today, probably the best time ever in my career that I've seen opportunities for AMEs. There's opportunities throughout North America, throughout the world right now for good quality AMEs who are looking for excitement and adventure. The best part about working on planes is probably aviation in itself is exciting. Being around airplanes is exciting. The technology is cool. Cleaner equipment to work on than say a truck or a vehicle or a boat. But planes are cool. The aircraft do need repetitive maintenance. The intervals vary from aircraft to aircraft, but generally an airplane is inspected anywhere from every 100 to 300 hours, and then usually a heavier inspection every year. And when you get in larger aircraft, they're down for bigger blocks, which could be every 600 to 1,000 hours. So when an airplane is down for scheduled maintenance, it could be a task as short as a day or two. Typically, if it's down for, say, an annual inspection, depending on the airplane, it might be roughly a week. And if you have a large airplane that's down for a heavier block check, it could be down for weeks or months before it's returned to service. I think one surprise that the general public may not realize is the age of some of the airplanes that are still flying commercially nowadays. Not so much the big airlines, but if you are somebody who enjoys flying, fishing, and hunting in remote areas, some of those airplanes you're flying on are 50, 60, 70 years old. And I think that would surprise a lot of people if they really knew that.